Hello, hello. See the fish? Hello. Can you see the fish? They're huge. So I am, if you can hear me, I am in Deerfield. This is the new Deerfield Pier. Well, not the new. They just reopened the Deerfield Pier. So here I am walking it. It is free, I think, until the new year is what she said. You can see this big fish right here. Hello, hello, everyone joining. Do you see the fish? They're all right there. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare. It's definitely a very hot day. So this is Hillsborough. Well, this is Deerfield Beach. Down there is Hillsborough, where you see the lighthouse. This is the pier, Deerfield Beach Pier. They just reopened it. And it is free until, I think, the New Year is when she said. So nice that they finally got this opened again. Hi, Eric. This is the pier in Deerfield Beach. They just reopened it. So I'm a-walking. It's free. I think the lady told me it's free until the new year. So if anybody wants to come check it out or fish, a lot of people are fishing. Thanks so much for the follow and the shares. Appreciate it. Thanks so much for the follows. I appreciate it. If you're just joining, this is the Deerfield Pier. It just reopened. I don't know when, but not that long ago. And it is free until the end of the year. It's a beautiful day. It's hot, but it's beautiful. This is Deerfield Beach. This is the Deerfield Beach Pier. Thank you so much for the follows and the likes and the shares. I appreciate it. If you're just now joining, they reopened the Deerfield Beach Pier. It is free, I believe, until the end of the year to come and walk on. So that's where I'm taking you. A little walk, an afternoon walk on the pier. There's also a really great little spot to walk near the lighthouse if you've never been. But there's not much parking. The parking gets filled up pretty fast. There's no boats. There was a boat earlier. Oh, there's one. He's far. Well, my phone is about to die, so I'm going to hop off. But thanks everyone for joining. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I don't know what day it is. I'm on vacation, so I guess Wednesday. And I may go live again tomorrow from the pier. I might come live. Sorry. I may come again tomorrow and go live from the pier since it's free right now. But I will see y'all later. Have a wonderful day.